Welcome to the tutorial video on how to schedule a Starfish appointment with your academic advisor. You're going to want to start by going to my.laselle.edu. And on this page, you're going to look at the quick links menu, and down at the bottom, you want to click the word Starfish. Now, once you click on this, it's going to bring you to a login page. And you're just going to want to enter your information, enter password. And once you get into Starfish, your dashboard should look something like this. You're going to see your classes, if you have them like physically on campus, or you'll see due dates for certain assignments. If you have any notifications, they'll show up here. And then under your connections, you're going to see both your professors as well as your academic advisor. So to schedule an appointment, you're going to click on the main menu over here, which again is these three little bars. When you click into here, you're going to see your profile up at the top. You can click into your dashboard, your success network, if you have upcoming due dates, as well as messages, plans, courses, and raising your hand. Those aren't things we're going to get into in this video though. So to make an appointment, you want to start by clicking into My Success Network. And so this is going to link you to all of the people who are here to help make your time at LaSalle successful. So you'll see right up at the top, you have your academic advisor. You also have the ability to schedule appointments with the Academic Achievement Center through their widget down here. You can schedule with the Career Development Center. You can schedule with financial planning, or if you're looking for, a student employment job, international services, as well as the registrar and library. There are links to all of these offices here because they are all here to help you be successful. So for this video, we're going to go into how to schedule with your academic advisor. And so here in our example, our advisor is Centoya Simmons. And now if you click on these three little dots next to Centoya's name, you're going to see schedule. And when you click in here, you just let Centoya know, do you want help with advising? And once you click into advising, you can say, I'm looking to withdraw from a course, or it's just a general visit. And when you hit continue, you're going to see all of Centoya's availability, or if your advisor is Amanda or myself, Caroline, then you'll see our availability. And once you click into this, you can pick a time and hit continue. And at the moment, the location, you're going to see phone and Zoom video call. Whenever we do resume in-person appointments, that will be an option as well. And then a really important piece of scheduling this appointment is just letting us know a little bit about what's going on. That way we can prepare and have all the information for your visit. After this, you're going to click on the confirm button right here. And when you click confirm, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. It's going to tell you, the date and time, everything here. You can always make a change to the appointment, return to the main page, or view all upcoming appointment. If you go back to your dashboard, you should now see your advising appointment on this calendar right here. And now if you need to look and view details or cancel, you can click back into it. It's going to bring you back to this same page. And right up at the top here, you'll see cancel this appointment. And here we're just going to let Centoya know this was a test appointment. And we're going to hit cancel it. And that is everything you need to do to schedule and cancel an appointment. If you have any other questions, you can always email your advisor. And yeah, hopefully we start seeing a lot more of you virtually on Zoom or getting to chat with you on the phone.